Now this illustration deals with single conductor cables in accordance with 392.80B2b. Now notice this cable tray is covered, and is covered more than 6 foot, where you might come through a floor to protect the conductors, for a 6 foot covered area. This is more than 6 foot. So step 1 then for the 300 kc mil THHN conductors, application of our table 310.17 would be 300 kc mil again is 505. But instead of 65% in step 2, based upon the type of tray, 60%. So 60% of 505, with this adjustment factor, we come up with 303. So the solution and answer, the ampacity now for the 300 kc mil, based upon the type of tray used, is 303 amps. And that's what this illustration is illustrating.